Hello, I'm Dr. Megan Fisk, and I'm a public speaking coach for authors, innovators, and other creatives looking to deliver standing ovation-worthy speeches that they can be proud of. I've been a public speaking coach for the last 10 years and have a PhD in organizational communication. I've worked with best-selling authors and tech executives to everyday people looking to improve their presentation skills, and I've been all over the world teaching. I truly believe that your speech can change the world. And here's the thing, it doesn't have to change the entire world. I have big ideas, but I get that that's really intimidating. The thing is that there are 7 billion people in the world, and with that is 7 billion different understandings of the world. So you really just have to change one person's understanding of themselves, one person's beliefs or values, the way they see themselves in the world, and then you've changed the whole thing. So this is why I believe that your speech can change the world. Presentations should be fun and easy, and they should help you accomplish the goals that you and your audience jointly have. So I hope you'll join me in this course on making strong presentations.